Yeah, but you had them everywhere. See, they fucking send every fucking tree I had, all the way as high as they could climb. Yeah. Fucking get it. Yeah, I had to get rid of them fucking. No, if you want to, you let me know. It's okay with Jerry.
Put a fucking fence up.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely put it.
I'm the boss of this house.